What were some of the most difficult aspects of adjusting to the new COVID-19 guidelines, and how have you overcome them?
Yeah, there really were two items specifically. One was just generally continuing to function as a business. Predominantly, most of our workforce was in our headquarters in Metro Detroit, Michigan, and so within one afternoon, we essentially went virtual and had to continue to operate as an online school and service our students, and we did that well. And since then, which I can't believe it's been a year, we've almost actually doubled in size and actually expanded our talent pool from a workforce standpoint. And we now have MedCerts team members in over 25 countries. And so we're sort of regional agnostic, as we call it. And then separately, really the most disruptive part of our student experience for students was the fact that the testing centers for certification tests had shut down. And so we really had to start to quickly work with credentialing agencies who, quite frankly, were great because they ended up working with their accrediting bodies to essentially transition from hosting on-site testing centers to proctoring exams online. And so really we had to make the best use of the time as that transition was occurring. And so we worked with students. We gave them certification exam practice tests. We synced them up and connected them to our career services team, really to make sure that their resumes were updated, that they were kind of brushing up on their interview skills. So we did our best to keep students busy during this transition. Though, I would say there's a somewhat of a silver lining here in that now that these tests are proctored online, it's becoming easier for students to register, and more of our students are taking these tests, which, at the end of the day is making it more accessible. And we're integrating it more and more into our user experience and into the student journey at MedCerts, which is only going to further help with outcomes. So, our issuing authorities and our partners have been great, but those really is what I would say has been really the two biggest disruptors, which again, silver lining in a sense for us at least.